gonna do this is I'm gonna duplicate the tab. I'm gonna open it on the side. Sorry, you won't see the job opening on the side, but that's just for me. So I can refer back to the job while I'm writing. Focus space. Oops. Productivity, comma, focus, comma, and clean aesthetics, question mark. You've got my attention, exclamation mark. Not only do I love all of that and live and breathe it on a day-to-day, the daily, but I also spend most of my days and my productive time editing videos with a big focus, of course, on short form video content. In fact, comma, you may be able to find some similar videos dash maybe not as calm of a mood, maybe more fun and funky on my Instagram page. This, by the way, is another great thing about Contra. You can link to your own stuff. You can mention your Instagram or whatever. They won't ban you for that. Technically, you can't. What you can't do is share anything that has like a way to contact you. I've done it before, let's be honest. I've done it before and I haven't got banned, but you can technically, so I I advise everyone not to. You can link to things as long as there's no way for the client to contact you through that. So let's say if on your website you don't have your email or any other form to contact you, fine, you can link to that. I think I would advise you to double check because they change things like every time. But you cannot share any contact information. So if say you link to your website and then on the footer there's your email, I think they consider that contact information. So I would be careful about that. Socials is also the same thing. They can message you on Instagram, although sometimes I still include my Instagram because it's just obvious. Like, it's a portfolio piece. True, and I've had clients do that. But it's not your fault. Like, you cannot control that. Upwork just doesn't want clients and freelancers to go outside the platform because then they don't get your money. They get a pretty hefty fee for you just applying to the job, but they want that 10-ish% of your earnings. And in a way, it's good because Upwork keeps you safe, but contra too, and they're not afraid of you contacting elsewhere. Anyway, I'll go ahead and link you a couple relevant examples below. Now let's go on to my Insta, no, and find good links. I'll be giving you my 10% if I can get a contract. Actually, now it's between 0 and 15% since May. I've only gotten one contract since then, and it was 10%, so the normal fee, but I don't know. I didn't see this comment.
Bio looks good to me. I would probably add a call to action. I don't know where you're at with character limits, but say right now it's a time to book more weddings or corporate events. You can have a call to action with that and maybe even link to a specific page on your website. The bio looks good to me.
Hey Sylvia, it's been 2 days since I joined Contra and I haven't seen any jobs yet. I just noticed actually that Contra, if you like, there's like a pro tab, so I'm guessing you have more jobs if you're pro. But you can see here, I can see some jobs that were suggested to me under the jobs tab. I don't know where you're looking. Oh my god, my puppy was so tiny! And my hair was so pink. But I've never paid for the pro and contra, by the way. I don't know. They said productivity, focus works with me, micro lessons. I think this can be one. Let's find another one.
Hey, can you hear me? Isn't it like 8 a.m. for you? Do you want to tell me a little bit more about what? Tell me a little bit more about. I like this take. At least give me back my connect if the client doesn't view my proposal. We didn't connect. And that makes a lot of sense. I like this person. I like this take. At least give me back my. You're not going to copy what they say on their profile. You're going to look at the work history. You can order the job history by largest projects. And that way you can see what are the best jobs out there, the ones paid.
Maybe? I don't know. I don't know as much as how Contra works, matching you to jobs and all that. But I think, you know, if you've been on Upwork, you're kind of horrified by this idea. But I think if you reach out to them on either social or a customer support, I think they should answer you. Contra is much better at that than Upwork.
All they want from you is for you to show you're available, show you're good at what.
I'm not gonna lie, I kind of wanted to send them a
Yesterday, I
video
showed you a
with
co
more
working
views.
space in the Rossio train station. This time, we went a bit further up to Chiado.
Okay, let's just send them this. I typically charge about $100 per video, but I always make bundle deals for clients that need multiples. Winky face emoji. Let me know if you'd like to find a time to chat sometime next week. I would love to hear from you. Awesome. One down, a couple more to go. I'm a 24-year-old kickboxer based in the UK. And that's not really my vibe. Never mind. TikTok real style content for travel website. For a flight and hotel comparison website. I love that. Mahon Web and Design Limited. Creating authentic, engaging content that demonstrates the real value and savings of our platform. As an avid traveler, you have my attention! Exclamation mark. I would honestly love to try your website out because I'm always looking for deals and traveling on as cheap of a budget as I can so I can travel more often. So I would love to help promote your website to more people just like me. Exclamation mark. Would you want to maybe hop on a call sometime next week to discuss this better? Question mark. Okay, I'm gonna keep this one super simple because I'm sick and tired of sending proposals. Established online publication seeks a creative specialist to repurpose weekly newsletter content into platform native. Shut up! My dog, it don't won't stop. Anyway, written essays into engaging social media posts, creating short form video reels, designing simple yet eye-catching quotes and visuals, monthly content calendar, 3 to 5 assets per week, efficient in content creation and social media management, experience with platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. What? Sorry, was it discreet? I don't know if you can hear her, but she's barking a lot. Maybe you can't, and you just heard me scream at nothing, but I swear my dog is barking. Not too into this brand. Didn't I already apply to this one? Oh, then I'm a liar. Oh yeah, I already applied to this. So we're done. Hopefully I get at least a job. Maybe I'll update like on shorts or something.